Hello everyone. Hello my beautiful people in the building. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today na about obodo oyibo my darling people, don't be small thing. Obodo oyibo say she can't even dey talk for hospital. He say because ever since he never upload, they see message, people they write and say obodo oyibo afana this everything wey just dey happen ever since you never shook mouth put at least this chacha they not say she for shook mouth, but they not hear from her. What did they happen? Then she come finally talk say she dey hospital, even a hospital bed. Then she for do the video say she get okoro. Una know okoro na. Say in get am, so na because of that one. Now she dey hospital. How she take get am so? Now no say school does start. School does start. So children they carry am for school. Some children. Even for this Germany wey me dey here now, e get some schools now, they'll just tell you say no bring your pikin o. Defender say one pikin get am o, so this thing na real, real, not be say fake, this thing na real, my people. So when obodo oyibo talk, na I shock say she dey hospital. Thank God for her life. Thank God. They say he say because na his son na he bring am come. So when his son go school, he bring am come. Now no children now. They not the one use this hand sanitizer. They not they use. They not they even want wash their hand if they even come back from school. So he say when his son come, he come the cough. They cough. Then they say find out say his son. He now know when one pikin go dog get am, at least the thing will come spread. Thank God say it never spread for all of them. So then she her own come see start. So when her own come start, now they come to Russia go two is after he just spend 2 weeks for house when he not to go hospital, because this time say to go hospital they add even miss more sick when I just sick that day. Now so to go hospital it tire me as I reach there. And so that they do me test too. They want try whether they want test me if I get okoro. No test where they don't do me. You can't even the fear. You never get them, but you the fear. So he said I make she be no one go, but when she can finally go, and they can see say he said not be small till 2 weeks without it. He said he just did there, no food, nothing. He just then they come to do the test. So when they come do and then they come find out say now she get. Not be small till say that he come they pray he come they pray say God, what he do? God I beg may you help him. He said that is why it's good to be good in this life. He come they pray say God make her good which she doesn't do before. Use and they save her. Many prayer. Now God come really a prayer, now everything is okay. He says so when she go come back for hospital, she will come update everybody what really happen. So she will come really talk the real story, everything. So I really happy for her. I really happy for her because easy to for that shock alone what I tell you person if even myself, if even I might feel just is her spirit feel just come out for a body. Only that shock will tell you say you get them. So I just really happy for her. Say thank God though. Say everything they okay with her now. When I know when Peter all those P square. The other one with the barber when they come at that time say he be get and people not believe now. They say na lie. Now this now you can't talk say okay, so supposing me now for believe say he really get them. This thing is real. It's real. And one of the dark people again if they talk see obodo yibo now hospital now she hospital bed now she for the talk her own now hospital bed. Ma even play some this thing more than listen. Ma just play her voice more na hear. I just Thank God for our life, eh? Thank God, oh. Eh? What best did they ban a small thing, eh? Small thing like this. The year say they say, person don't buy. Thank God for our life, oh.
God before me, who
Now she
can
they sing so.
be against me? If God is with me, who shall I fear? If no one knows me, still his heart adores me. I am saved, I am loved, I am free. Hey guys, I've been really ill and I don't have the energy to go into the whole story now, but thank God for deliverance. That's all I can say. God has pulled me out of the dungeon. It's pulled me out of that hole. It's pulled me out of the dead valley of coronavirus and it set me on a large place. It started as a joke. It was like a joke. And I honestly have been thinking, I did the right thing. I did all the right things. Washing of hands, wearing of masks. I've not been going out. I mean, for the past 4 months, I've been working out from home. The only time I go out is to do my shopping for food. And that's only for African stores now because I do even the supermarket shopping, I just do it online. I order it and they deliver it free of charge. Once you order above £30, I think most of the supermarkets, they deliver it free of charge. So I just said to myself, why am I struggling doing shopping every week or every 2 weeks? Yeah, I'm going to tell you guys the whole story about what happened, but it's basically from school. When school opened, one of my child went to school and that's how he got it from school. And then he came home and started running temperature and, he had a cough. We didn't even know that it was coronavirus. I was just thinking that, oh, these people, they've come again, But I got sick 2 days later, and then when I got tested, all 3 of us, including Toby, oh my God, all 3 of us got sick. But the funny thing about this thing is that with children, you will not believe, they hardly ever have any symptoms. So they started.
So, una dey hear my darling people, eh? He said with children, you not go quick believe. You the feel say na lie, all those things. Hey, my people, this thing are real. See obodo ibona for hospital. Thank God for our life, eh? Thank God, thank God, thank God, thank God. Thank God say everything went well. She's okay now. Very soon now, she go dey her feet again, gidigba. So my darling people, now say make I constantly tell you now, mona here, see this thing now real. Now obodo ibo use our own mouth to talk am. But thank God for our life. Now everything don dey okay. Because I'm not going to play all the video, the message is long. So I'm not going to play everything finished. But thank God for our life. Thank God say she dey alive to talk am. Thank God for your family. We just thank God every day. Just they thank God every day for your life, because to even see this morning today now, na God. Because if not be God, some people sleep, they not wake up. Talk less of person where they just say you get okoro. That fear alone, if you even fit meme yourself, that fear alone. So thank God for her life. I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy that everything went well. So the matter, when I say make I can't tell you now, my people. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bye everybody. Bye. And always share the video. Share my video to everybody, to your community, to your messenger, to your Facebook. Please don't just watch it and leave it like that. Please share it to your friends so that everybody can see it. Thank you, everybody. I beg, mona pray, mona they pray for our children if they go school. Pray for your children, pray for yourself, pray for everybody, because our children, they go school, they feel go shake somebody, we get them, you go come carry and come house, but when we just they pray, make that kind of thing may not happen to us. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.